Hey friends, it's Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing the Spellbinders Glimmer kit for the month of July. This Glimmer kit features some Glimmer plates for mini Slimline cards. These are all nesting border plates that add sort of a decorative border around your mini Slimline layers. You can see here you get many layers. Now, mini Slimline cards are something I've been seeing going around the crafting world for a little bit now. They're really fun to make, and the dimensions are usually about 6 by 3 inches. So they're sort of long and narrow, a mini take on our Slimline cards. And so these Glimmer plates all coordinate with those sizes of layers for your mini Slimline cards. You can see here I have already glimmered on a few pieces of pattern paper. Just wanted to let you know how these borders look around your edges. And this isn't going to be a very long video. I just wanted to give you a look at July's Glimmer kit from Spellbinders. And I went ahead and I made a set of Christmas cards already. I think it's never too early to start your Christmas cards, and I thought these glimmered borders just gave Christmas cards a little something extra. So I'm making a really quick and simple glimmer card, Christmas card that has a glimmered border. You can see I bordered this little layer here for my mini Slimline card. Glimmered it already. I'm just going to show you how I'm stacking up my layers. I'm adding, of course, a glimmered sentiment because I think Christmas cards should have all the shine. I've also cut out a few of these leaf dies from Spellbinders. I'm making a very, very simple Christmas card here, but it's just something that you can get a head start on for those Christmas cards and add a little bit of glimmered border around your cards. So I kept this really simple, just wanted to give you a look at these glimmered borders for your mini Slimline. This is the July Glimmer kit from Spellbinders. You can check out the links in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.